Saan? Kasi guys, sa atin nagkapin? Teka, te. Likos-likos pa ba? Salamat, Sir Alex. Ito guys, kaya... Dragon Gaming muna tayo, guys. Alas, mabata kita, ha? Dragon Gaming din kaya... Thank you, Dragon Gaming. Thank you so much. Just done like, okay? Plus one. Plus one to you, Dragon Gaming. Thank you so much, okay? Then, we're gonna follow on just to put I'll give you a comment. Done to you. I've got a comment to your video. Dragon Gaming. Delivery Surindo, tusok na sa iyong video, sabi ng Sir Alex. Done to your video, Dragon Gaming. Dito ko kay Sir Alex, ha? Dragon Gaming done sa from Ann Del Mundo. Dito ko kay Sir Alex. Kasi guys, Ann Del Mundo, magbaba ka ng link din. After kay Sir Alex, i-pin kita. May harang agad ako, Sir Alex. Don't treat my father. Salamat na lang. You love. You love. Salamat na lang. Meron, hinarang pa ako. Ano, Sir Alex? Ang harang. Basta yun sa ating nakapin, guys. Dragon Gaming. You cannot watch the whole, watch na lang 3 to 5 minutes. O, meron ka lang moderator na loud. Maraming salamat. Alam sa... Salamat, Kapitán. Thank you so much, Kapitán. Tagong sito to, Sir Alex. Tamtak 10. Patuloy guys sa ating mga baba ng link, ha? Kung sila mga libre dyan. So guys, sa ating nakapin, pag hindi ma-watch for the whole video, kindly if you can watch the 3 to 5 minutes, that's acceptable. For na for watch ko siya. Nandito pa ko sa Sir Alex, Bulaklak sa Tagum City. Wala anuman na saan. Kindly, Azam, Kindly don't click the one